Class 10 board exams completely optional and now may be doing away with differences in boards altogether.
Education Minister Kapil Sibal is determined to keep to his agenda of de-stressing school education, this time in the form of common syllabi. Sunitra Chaudhary has more.
Syllabus, that's the HRD minister's mantra for the future. So very soon, parents agonizing over different boards like CBSE, ICSE and others will have one less thing to worry about. Kapil Sibal hopes to have a common syllabus for science and maths in class 11 and 12.
A core curriculum for the science and maths stream in the higher secondary level has already been prepared. The chairman of the various secondary boards to look at commerce as the next stream in which we can prepare a core curriculum. Hopefully that will be prepared in the next 3 months.
In fact, by 2013, the plan is to have a common entrance exam for colleges. But Sibal's proposals may not hold up for the humanities curriculum, as most states prefer to have different focus areas for history and geography.
We sent a request to all the state boards of the country as to what additions and deletions they would like to have in their syllabi. They sent us the syllabi.
There is a disparity between children from Delhi and children from other states. There is a disparity that I've seen myself. So a common entrance test equates these children on the same level as children from Delhi.
While taking over, Kapil Sibal had said that a common entrance exam for colleges is his long-term vision, and it seems he's well on his way for that, and this time with many of the states on board. In New Delhi, Sunitra Chaudhary for NDTV.
Tuba.com